Before you practice the asanas, I am going to tell you the initial posture and the relaxation posture for different types of asanas. They are also known as sthiti and shitila. Also, before each asana, I will talk about the benefits of that asana and who should not be doing that asana. Initial and relaxation postures for standing asanas. Initial posture: stand erect with feet close together. Place the hands along the thighs with fingers stretched out. The legs, trunk and head are aligned in a straight line. The relaxation posture: stand erect with legs about a feet away from each other. Make sure that the body is completely relaxed. Gently close the eyes. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Ardha means half, Kati means waist, and Chakra means wheel. In the final position of the asana, the body looks laterally like a half wheel. Elasticity of the spine increases, lung capacity increases, excess fat around the waist reduces, relieves from back pain and constipation. Sthiti. While inhaling, slowly raise your right hand, twist the hand up, take it further up, inhaling, stretch it, bend towards your left while gliding the left hand on the leg. This is the final posture. Breathe normally, inhale and exhale normally. Do not bend backward or forward. Feel the stretch on the right side. Slowly inhaling, come back up. Exhaling, take the arm down, relax. Now do it the other side. Slowly bring the left arm up, twist it, take it up, stretch, go down to the right, sliding the right arm on the right leg. Inhale and exhale normally. Feel the complete stretch on the left side of your waist region and also a compression on the right side. Slowly come back up, inhaling. Take the left hand down slowly while exhaling. Pada Hastasana. Pada means feet and Hasta means hands. In the final posture, the hands will touch the feet, or you can place the hands on either side of your feet while bending the trunk forward. Blood circulation to the brain increases, good for digestion, gastric and intestinal problems. Persons suffering from high BP and heart disease should do it with care, and spondylitis and lumbago patients should avoid this. Come to Sthiti. Inhale and slowly raise the arms sideways until the biceps touch the ears. Stretch up. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Go down all the way. Try to touch the floor or your feet with your palms, or place the palms next to the feet. Push the head towards your knees. Breathe normally in this position. Do not bend your knees. Slowly come back up. Inhaling, go all the way up, stretch the hands up, drop the hands to either side of your body while exhaling. Relax. Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha means half and Chakra means wheel. In the final position, the body looks like a half wheel. Being complementary to the Pada Hastasana, it enhances the benefits of it, and the respiratory organs get toned. Good for asthma and lower back pain. Hypertensives and heart patients should do it slowly. Sthiti. Support the back at the waist by the palms, fingers pointing forward. Inhale and bend backwards from the lumbar region. Drop the head backwards, stretching the muscles of the neck. Maintain the posture for a minute while breathing normally. Slowly, while exhaling, raise up and come back to Sthiti. Relax. Trikonasana. 3 in Sanskrit means 3 in English as well. Asana means posture. In the final position, the body resembles a triangle. It stretches the whole body, especially the spine and the back muscles. It will slim down the hips and waistline, strengthens the calves and thighs. Persons suffering from lower back pain and arthritis should do it with care. Come to Sthiti. While inhaling, raise the hands sidewards and take the legs a meter apart. Exhaling, slowly bend to the right until the fingers of the right hand touch the right foot. Make sure the left arm is straight and in line with the right hand, and look at the left arm. Breathe normally. Feel the stretch on the left side and the compression on the right. Now slowly, while inhaling, come back up. Exhale, drop the hands. Let's do it on the other side. Inhale, raise the arms up. Bend to the left. Look at the right arm. Do not bend forward or backward. Breathe normally in the final posture. Feel the stretch on the right side of your body and the compression on the left. Slowly, while inhaling, come back up. Drop the hands, exhaling, and relax. Parshva Konasana. Parshva means lateral, Kona means angle. In the final position of the posture, the body forms an angle by the sideways. It strengthens the calves, forehands, biceps, ankles, knees, wrist, and shoulder joints. Builds a feeling of expansiveness and relaxation. Come to Sthiti. Take the right leg apart from the left approximately 1 to 1.5 meters. Turn the right foot towards the right side at 90 degrees. Bend towards the right side, keeping the right thigh parallel to the ground. Place the right palm on the side of the right foot. Raise the left arm, biceps touching the left ear. Keep the arm straight and gaze at the fingertips of the left arm. This is the final posture. Don't bend forward. Breathe normally. The weight should fall on the leg and not on the right arm. Slowly bring the left arm back. Raise up. Turn the leg. Come back to Sthiti, and we'll practice on the other side. Take the left leg apart from the right approximately 1 to 1.5 meters. Turn the left foot towards the left side at 90 degrees without turning the body. Bend towards the left, keeping the right thigh parallel to the ground. Place the left palm on the left side. Slowly raise the right arm until the biceps touch the right ear and gaze at the right hand. Don't bend forward. The weight should fall on the left leg and not on the left hand, which is on the ground. This is the final posture. Slowly bring the right hand back. Raise up, turn the left leg, come back to Sthiti.